Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome back to Succulents Box. Today, we're diving into a succulent that doesn't always get the spotlight, but definitely deserves it. Crassula Springtime. This little beauty's got thick, fleshy leaves, a compact rosette shape, and some seriously stunning pink blooms that show up like clockwork in late winter or early spring. Plus, it's low maintenance, adorable, and adds a fresh pop of color to any space. Let's talk safety first. While Crassula Springtime is non-toxic to humans, it can be harmful to pets. Cats and dogs, in particular, can experience vomiting, diarrhea, and lethargy if they ingest it. To keep things safe, it's best to place this succulent somewhere out of reach for curious pets. And if you suspect your furry friend has taken a nibble, reach out to your vet right away. Crassula Springtime thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. A few hours of gentle morning sun can boost growth, but too much direct sun, especially in the afternoon, can scorch its leaves. If you're growing it indoors, place it near a south or west-facing window. Not getting enough light? No worries. You can supplement with a grow light to keep your plant healthy and compact. Like most succulents, Crassula Springtime stores water in its leaves, so it prefers to stay on the drier side. Only water when the top inch of soil feels completely dry. During spring and summer, that might mean watering every 2 weeks, but in fall and winter, cut back, maybe once a month will do the trick. And here's an important tip. Avoid getting water on the leaves. Focus on watering the soil, and always let excess water drain to prevent root rot. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy succulent. For Crassula Springtime, go for a well-draining cactus or succulent mix. If you're mixing your own, blend regular potting soil with perlite or coarse sand for extra drainage. As for feeding, this plant doesn't need much. A diluted, balanced succulent fertilizer once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, is plenty. Skip fertilizing altogether in fall and winter. When it comes to temperature, this succulent loves warm temperatures. 65 degrees to 75 degrees is ideal. It can tolerate cooler conditions down to 30 degrees, but frost is a no-go. Humidity isn't a big concern here. Crassula Springtime is perfectly happy in average indoor humidity levels. Just keep the air circulating if you live somewhere humid to prevent fungal issues. Pruning isn't just about looks, it also encourages healthy, compact growth. If your plant is looking leggy or overgrown, trim back the stems just above a leaf node. This will help it stay bushy and full. You can also remove any dead, shriveled, or yellow leaves from the base of the plant. After flowering, cut back the spent flower stems to keep things tidy. When it comes to propagation, the process is super simple. You can do it through stem cuttings or offsets. For stem cuttings, snip a healthy stem, let it dry for a couple of days until the cut end calluses over, and then plant it in well-draining soil. Water lightly until new roots form. Offsets, or pups, naturally grow at the base of the plant. Gently remove them, let them callus, and pot them up in fresh soil. In a few weeks, you'll have brand new baby succulents. The gorgeous pink flowers that show up from late winter to early spring are one of the best things about this succulent. To encourage blooming, give your plant plenty of bright light, follow a consistent watering schedule, and feed it regularly during the growing season. Mimicking a winter rest period, cooler temperatures, and reduced watering can also help trigger those beautiful blooms. Pests like mealybugs or aphids can also show up from time to time. If you spot sticky residue or little bugs, treat your plant with neem oil or insecticidal soap. And that's everything you need to know about caring for your Crassula Springtime. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more plant care tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any questions or your own Crassula care tips? Drop them in the comments. Happy planting!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.